Endocrinology and Reproduction, Session 4. Hormonal method of birth control. So, hormone that is similar to the hormone of women's body, it can be used as birth control pill. So, this pill contains estrogen and progesterone. So, the combination of these two in low dose. And this pill can be taken every day to prevent the pregnancy. So, the hormone prevents the conceptions by the following ways. So, these hormones, what happens is it will thicken the cervical mucus, making it difficult for the sperm to pass through and reaches the egg, and thus it prevents the ovulation that releases the egg from the ovary. And there are the following routes where the uh, method can be used. One is orally by taking by the mouth, that is oral contraceptive, that is in the form of a tablet, and in some cases it is injected under the skin, or it is implanted into the body tissue, or it is absorbed from the patch on the skin, and in some cases it is placed in the vagina and vaginal, that is in the form of a vaginal ring. Next, coming to the contraceptive pills or tablets which are taken orally, and there are two types of tablets. One is combination pill, another one is mini pill. So what is the difference between the combination pill and mini pill? So in the combination pills, it consisting of the tablet consisting of combination of both progesterone and estrogen. Example for this I have shown it is in the picture, that is Maladi. It is a combination pill because it consisting of both progesterone and estrogen. So it consisting of 50 microgram of ethanol estradiol, that is a synthetic estrogen, and levonorgestrel, that is progesterone. And each packet has got 21 tablets which have to be taken every day to prevent the pregnancy. And it can be used at any age of the women to prevent the pregnancy. Along with the estrogen and progesterone hormonal tablet, you can also see that is there are 2, 4, 6, 7 ferrous fumarate tablets, that is iron content tablet. Next is a mini pill. So it is also called as POPS, that is progesterone only oral contraceptive. It is made up of only progesterone. So this mini pill contains progesterone only and called as progesterone only oral contraceptives. And these do not contain estrogen, and these are available in the packet of 28 pill. And each pill is taken every day to prevent the pregnancy. And this POP, it reduces the it will not reduces the milk production, so that they are best for breastfeeding women also. And there is no risk of estrogen here. It is based on oral contraceptives, that is POP can be taken from the 6th week after the childbirth. So the first pill is taken on the first day, and the next one is taken on the second day. Like that it should be continued. So, women is protected from the pregnancy when she is taking the pill for 10 consecutive days in a row. So, if she forgets a pill after she started, she has at the risk of getting the pregnant. So, she has to use it in the alternative form of birth control for 7 days following the first missed pill. If she misses one pill, she should take it soon after she remembers. That means taking 2 pills in the same day, and if she misses 2 pills, she has to take both of them soon after she remembers. Plus the pill for the day at a regular time. And if she misses the 3 pills, she should discontinue the use of the pill for 4 more days to complete 1 week, and then begin taking a new pack of birth control pill. So this is the thing what the women has to do in order to prevent the pregnancy. So this is about the mini pill, that is POPs. So you can see the mini pill, how many pills are there to for like 28 days. She has to take it. Next up, there are two types of contraceptive injection. That is, one is called as Depo-Provera, another one is called as Lanolin. So, what is the difference between Depo-Provera and Lanolin? Depo-Provera is a trade name of depot medroxyprogesterone acetate, that is called as DMPA. It is similar to mini pill in containing only progesterone, and it is injected into the upper arm of the women once in 3 months to prevent the pregnancy. And DMPA, it will not disturb the previous conception, but it will prevent the fertilization, and it can be taken by the women of any age, and if she stops, it's reverse. The pregnancy is reverted whenever the injection is stopped. So this injection, it prevents the ovulation and thickens the cervical mucus. Another one is Lanolin. It is also a contraceptive injection. It is a combination of estrogen and progesterone, and it is administered monthly to prevent the ovulation. And this also thickens the cervical mucus. And next is contraceptive implant. So contraceptive implant means it is a long hard capsule containing norethindrone ethanate, which is synthetic progesterone. It is of 6 capsules in a set, and they are silicone rubber rods. You can see here 2, 4, 6 silicone rubber rods, and it is about the length of a matchstick. These are surgically implanted just below the upper arm of the women, and this Norplant capsule are implanted at any age of the women who does not want to have a child. Uh, and here the fertility is distorted as soon as this capsular is removed from the body, and it can be effect for another 5 years, but this Norplant system is no longer now available, and this is replaced with another type of new system, what is called as Implanon system. So here you can see this Norplant system. It is an older system, and this in the Norplant system there were 6 silicone rubber rod were there, so that were inserted, but this is no longer used, and it can be replaced with another type of new Implanon system. And here you can see the Implanon system. It is of a single rod of the hormones progesterone, desogestrel, and it is used as the hormone source, and this system provides for 3 years of contraception, and this is another way of controlling the birth. It acts as a birth control device. Next is contraceptive patch. This is another way of controlling the birth. It is a patch of thin plastic part, and it is like a band-aid. You can see here, this is like a band-aid that can be placed on the skin of the buttock or the stomach or upper outer arm or upper torso, and the trade name of this is called as Auto Rivera. The patch is changed each week for a schedule of 3 weeks on the first week of this method of birth control. It works slowly by releasing the hormones, that is the combination of the hormones progesterone and estrogen through the skin, and these hormones prevents the ovulation, that is the release of ova and thickens cervical mucus, creating a barrier to prevent the sperm from entering the uterus, and fusion of the gametes, that is male and the female gametes, that is the egg and the ova, and fertilization is prevented by using this contraceptive patch. The last one is vaginal ring. So this is a ring shaped containing progesterone Nuva ring. It is a trade name called as Nuva ring. It is just a flexible ring which is about 2 inches in diameter, and 2 inches in diameter. Once a month, the ring is inserted into the arm of the upper part of the vagina, where it slowly releases the hormones, and this hormones inhibits the monthly release of the egg or the ovulation by the ovaries, and it changes the mucus produced by the cervix, slowing or preventing the movement of the sperm. Once this Nuva ring has been inserted into the vagina, it will remain for another 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks this ring is removed for 1 week to allow the menstruation, and as soon as the week is over, this ring is inserted. So this Nuva ring is about 99% effective in preventing the pregnancy. So these are some of the hormonal method of prevention of pregnancy. Thank you.